If TRS is a triangle, so let's draw that out. TRS is a triangle. Of course, not drawn to scale at all. I didn't even look at the numbers. If the measure of angle S is 118 degrees, and if little s, which is going to be over here because it's opposite of s, is 16 feet, and if little r, which is going to be over here, is 5, find this angle right here. So I have big S, little r, I need to find big R. Whenever I have two of the same letter and two of the same letter, but I need to find a missing letter, I'm going to use the law of signs. So let's set that up. The law of signs says that the measure, or the sign rather, of an angle, so let's just choose an angle, big S, over its opposite side is going to equal the sine of the other thing that I care about, big R, over its opposite side. So let's plug stuff in. Sine of big S is going to be sine of 118 degrees. Over its opposite side is going to be 16. That's going to equal the sine of big R, which is, I don't know, over little r, which is 5. Whenever you have a proportion, a fraction equaling a fraction, you do a little bit of crisscross applesauce. So I'm going to do that. I'll write it over here. That gives me 16 sine r equals 5 times sine 118 degrees. 16, can't do anything with it. Sine r, can't do anything with it. But I can type all of this into a calculator. And when I do, I get 4.41473. 4.41473. A lot of decimals, but who's counting? Now, in order to get sine r all by itself, I have to divide both sides by 16. Like so. So sine r is going to equal, leave some space, 0.2759. Now my job is to find r. I don't have that yet. So I'm going to inverse sine both sides. Inverse sine both sides. When I run to a calculator, and inverse sine this decimal right here, I end up with 16.0169 nice degrees. And that's my guy. That's all I have to do.